DIY Hair Growth Serum for Long and Shiny Hair. Hello everyone, welcome to Natural Beauty Tips. There is nothing like trying out a new DIY hair serum, especially one that works to encourage hair growth. Those with fine, barely there hair that would like to grow their hair, can benefit from this coconut oil and aloe vera DIY hair growth serum, as it promotes quick hair growth. Aside from that, it also nourishes dry hair and scalp, and pumps each hair follicle with proteins and vitamins to add shine, volume, and fix split ends. How to make hair growth serum. You will need olive oil 1 teaspoon, coconut oil 1 teaspoon, almond oil 1 teaspoon, castor oil 1 teaspoon, vitamin E oil 1 capsule, aloe vera gel 1 teaspoon, Method. Add all the oils one by one in a bowl. Then, add vitamin E oil to it. After that, add aloe vera gel to it. Mix all the ingredients and apply it on the scalp. Massage for 4 to 5 minutes. You can store this serum for up to 1 week. How many times to use? Use this serum once a week.
Thank you. Like our Facebook page. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and find out to one place on our official website.